AMC 10A problem 2023. Abdul and Cheng are standing 48 feet apart in a field. Okay. Suppose, for example, A here, B here. This length is 48. Bharat is standing in the same field as far from Abdul as possible so that the angle formed by his lines of sight to Abdul and Cheng measures 60 degree. Okay, so it will be something like this, for example, this one. But it says because it says we want to select maximum, for example, something like this. But we should check. So we call this one 60. So this is a geometry problem. It says what is the square of the distance in feet between Abdul and Bharat? So we call this one B, this one A. We want to find maximum of B squared. Let me copy the choices. Okay, the choices are these. Now for solving this problem, because it says 60, we know if we want to consider all 60s, it will be a circle, one part, and also here we have same thing, but it's not important. Because by symmetry, we want to find maximum B squared, we can only consider top one. Okay, so point C lies on this circle. We want to see for which CB will be maximum, okay? Now, or we can also, if I want to draw the real circle, it will be something like this one. A bit smaller. This, okay. C should be here. And now, the radius of this circle, we have an, in geometry, I told you, idea 24, idea 25. In geometry, I told you we have four important lines. Medians, angle bisectors, perpendicular bisectors. For example, in perpendicular bisectors, R is A over 2 sine A. This part important. Also, before the exam, I said this. You should memorize these formulas, 40, 50 important formulas, especially in geometry. Okay, one of them is this, length of circumradius. So here, if we use, it will be A over 2 sine A. A is what? A is 48. And here it's 2 sine 60. So it's not important that C is in what point of this arc. R is constant. It's 48 over 2 times root 3 over 2. So we can write it like this. We can cancel, or we can rationalize 48 root 3 over 3, which will be 16. 16 root 3. Now, we want to find maximum B. Again, we can say R equals B over 2 sine B. So B equals 2R sine B. And we know sine B is at most 1. If B is 90, then sine B is at most 1, and we have equality because we want to find maximum. So it will be 2R. So the equal equation is possible. Equality holds when B is 90 degree. So it will be 2 times 16 root 3, 32 root 3. And it says maximum square of this is what? So it will be 32 squared times 3. 32 is 2 to the 5, so it is 2 to the 10. When we raise it to the power of 2, it's 1024 times 3, so it will be 3072. Okay, so it was perpendicular related to perpendicular bisector. For example, length of median is what? Altitudes, orthic triangle. In AMI also orthic triangle useful. If you want to learn those 40, 50 important formulas in geometry, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description. The answer will be choice C.